Okay, today I want to look at how to write on a PDF that the teacher has set you, and this way you can complete this on a mobile device such as an iPad, an iPhone, or an iPod Touch. So let's look and see what we do. So if you go into your class and let's access either the classwork from the bottom, and we're going to look for writing on a PDF as this piece of work. Past paper GCSE Irish, open the 2015 past paper on your mobile device, write your answers in the places provided, and submit this work once completed. So if we open, it loads like this, and across the very top bar, you notice you have a search function, you now have a pen function, and an export function. So if you select the pen function, and along the very bottom, you will see the ability to enter text. I'm just going to add the word thanks, just to show you what that looks like. And let's start the paper. And again, along the bottom, you have the eraser, you have a pen, a marker, and a highlighter. So if we're just starting here with the pen, tap in again, and you can choose the thickness of your pen and your color. So in this occasion, we're going to use red to make it stand out, and it's simply going to tick the correct box or add in the letter in the correct occasion. B, A, C, D, and then along the right hand side here you'll see arrows to flick to the next page, or if you want to return you select here. So I'm going to continue on, flick through, and as I say, you can change the color or the thickness of your pen. You can write anywhere on it, and the very key thing here is when you've finished, so if we just jump to the last page, make sure you cover everything. Up in the top right hand corner you'll see this save. So select on save. Depending on how much you've had to actually write, it'll tell you how long it will take as the bar completes. Along the very bottom, and document saved. Then we press X, and along the very bottom, there's your work, hand in. And that's how you complete a piece of work on a mobile device without the need for a printer.